Alright, today's video, how to replace the headlight bulb in your Fiat 500. I'm just doing the driver's side today because the passenger side still works. Why don't you do both? Because I don't feel like spending $20. Don't lie, we all do this. We tell ourselves, let's just do one side first. Maybe the other side's good for another year. So Xtra Vision 9012H or HIR2. So this was like $22, $20. That's why I didn't buy two. It's the driver side that needs a new bulb. So just follow the headlight assembly. Behind it is a cap. And I already twisted it. It was pretty easy to twist off. And then there's a light right there. Really simple. So we're gonna twist it towards us and then find it. There it is. There it is right there. Let's see, it's just a clip. Yep, single clip right here. This car's a 2015, 7 years old, so it's not brittle yet. Didn't break, so new one goes here. This looks like yeah, did OEM use this one? Let's go ahead and put it in. Easy. There it is, new one in. Nothing's brittle yet, so just twist it back in. It's back in the assembly. It's in there. And now the cap. There's the cap. There you go. So let's look at the other side. Same thing. Kind of a tighter fit because of the coolant tank, but same idea. It's just on a cap. You'll have space this way from this direction. It's time to replace the passenger side. Looks tighter than the driver's side. Hopefully this is easy. The Abarth engine bay gets really hot, so I'm surprised this isn't brittle yet. That's pretty good. My car's a 2015. All right, now could I stick my hand in there? It looks doable. This is promising. It's doable. It's not too bad. Unless you have gigantic hands and you could palm a basketball. So when you take out the new light bulb, try not to touch it. Your finger oil will make it wear out quicker. So if you want, wash your hands again. Just in case you accidentally do touch it. You know, you won't mess it up as bad, but just try not to touch the bulb itself. Hopefully I put the bulb grease on the other one. I have to look back at my files. I'm gonna go ahead and put the two how-tos together, but hopefully I use bulb grease. Put it around the little gasket here so moisture doesn't get into the connectors. Try not to touch the bulb while you're doing this. Just grab it from the top and you want it pointed up. The black part up top, and then you just twist it. There you go, just like that. And you're good to go. It's in there. So hopefully that helps you guys. It is a tight fit, but you'll be all right. This is like less than 10 minutes. 3 years ago, I just did this side because it was $25 and it was the easy one. And then I looked at this one and said, man, I don't want to do that one right now. I don't want to spend $25. And that was like 3 years later. It's not like this one went out like a month later, like 3 years later. So it's up to you. You want to do both sides right now? You're gonna do the easy one first, and then if this one goes bad, might as well do the easy one too. But that's pretty easy. Scrape up your hand a little bit and some of the plastic's gonna disintegrate. There you go. If this disintegrated, hope that doesn't cause problems down the line. The wire loom's getting all brittle. And here's your part number right there. Around 25 bucks. 9012 HIR2. Okay, we're all set. We have light. They look equally as bright. Can you see the 500? We'll look later. Yeah, we'll wait for daytime. The car is clean, so I have to film it right now. It also has new tires. Separate video for the tires, some Toyos. There it is. So I used this a couple of years ago. It says lifetime guarantee. Didn't last a lifetime, more like 2 or 3 years, but it's fine. I'll do it every 2 or 3 years. There's the 500 right there. It'll look better on the other side. There you go, looks better right here. But yeah, new tires, new tire pressure monitor sensors, fresh oil change. So back to daily driving this car.